Let's dive right into the top 5 best grill baskets. No time wasted, just straight to the point reviews on the highest rated options you can get right now. We're covering innovative rolling designs, versatile flat baskets, and complete kits. There's a perfect pick here for every type of griller, whether you're all about efficiency, need something for a big family, or want the ultimate portable solution for camping. Let's get into the details so you can choose with total confidence. First on our list is the ivtivfu Rolling Grill Basket. This set stands out immediately with its beautiful removable beechwood handles that stay cool to the touch and provide a fantastic grip. The clever nesting design is a real space saver for storage or travel, as everything packs neatly inside. It's constructed entirely from premium food-grade 304 stainless steel with a polished finish that's not only easy to clean, but also built to last for seasons to come. The cylinder shape is perfect for rolling everything from asparagus to shrimp for even all-over char. If your grilling style involves a lot of outdoor adventures or you simply appreciate smart, durable design, this one is a game changer. For a top-rated basket that combines function with excellent craftsmanship, check out the ivtivfu. Next, meet the SHIZZO Rolling Grill Basket with its unique side-opening latch. This innovative feature lets you open the basket just a little or almost all the way, making loading and unloading those delicate items like fish fillets incredibly simple. It's crafted from solid, rust-resistant stainless steel and includes a handy fork tool to spin your feast effortlessly on the grill. The larger capacity section lets you cook more efficiently, which is a huge win for any barbecue enthusiast. It's versatile, dishwasher safe, and built with quality that feels substantial in your hands. If you're tired of struggling with standard baskets and want more control, the SHIZZO is definitely for you. This is a standout gift for any grilling dad or husband looking to up his game. Our number 3 pick is the overall best value and most versatile set, the Vencino 3-pack grill baskets. This package gives you 1 large and 2 small heavy-duty stainless steel trays, allowing you to organize your entire grill surface and cook different foods at once. The perforations are ideal for letting smoky flavor in while keeping your veggies secure, and the wide, curved handles are a safe joy to use, even with gloves on. With a stellar 4.7-star rating from thousands of reviewers, its quality and practicality are proven. It's dishwasher safe, oven safe, and remarkably durable. If you're feeding a family or love to host and need reliable, easy-to-use tools, the Vencino set is worth every penny. This is the workhorse set that makes grilling for a crowd easy. Coming in at number 4 is the BLAZIN Grill All-in-One Rolling Set. This is the ultimate convenience package, including not just 2 rolling baskets, but also a pair of heat-resistant gloves, forks, and hooks. The baskets feature a secure twist-to-lock mechanism for the handles and are made from durable 304 stainless steel mesh. The rolling action ensures perfectly even cooking without any flipping or losing food through the grates. While the baskets themselves are not oven safe, they are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you want a complete grilling solution straight out of the box and love the idea of having dedicated tools for the job, the BLAZIN Grill Set is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for the griller who appreciates both safety and simplicity. Finally, we have the KUQIHUG Rolling Basket. This one offers a sturdy, detachable wooden handle and a fully snap-open design that makes cleaning an absolute breeze with no hidden corners. Made from reliable 304 stainless steel, it provides consistent 360-degree rotation for uniform cooking and has a generous capacity. It's both oven and dishwasher safe, adding to its user-friendly appeal. The design is straightforward, effective, and built to handle everything from campfire meals to backyard burgers. If you're looking for an affordable, no-fuss rolling basket that focuses on easy cleaning and solid performance, the KUQIHUG is a great fit. It's a thoughtful and practical gift for any grill lover in your life. And that wraps up our look at the top 5 grill baskets you can get right now. While each of these is a fantastic choice for different reasons, if you're looking for my top overall recommendation, the Vencino 3-pack is the set to get for its unbeatable versatility, premium construction, and sheer value. Remember, every product here was carefully chosen based on quality, features, and real user feedback. You can find links to check out all of these models in the description below. If you found this helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know what you want to see next in the comments. Whichever you choose, you're getting a top-rated tool for your next barbecue. You really can't go wrong.